Every time you remember something, your brain does something that sounds impossible. It rebuilds the memory from scratch. Not replays it, not retrieves it, rebuilds it from fragments, from context, from who you are right now in this moment. And the result is something subtly different every single time. Your brain isn't a hard drive. It's more like an architect, constantly reconstructing the past from the materials available today. This sounds alarming. It isn't. Once you understand why it works this way, it's one of the most remarkable things about being human. Here's what's actually happening. When you form a memory, your brain doesn't store it as a single complete file. It scatters fragments across different regions. The emotion goes one place, the visual detail another, the sound somewhere else. When you remember, those fragments get pulled back together. But the brain fills in gaps using your current knowledge, your current mood, your current understanding of the world. It's not retrieval, it's reconstruction. Psychologist Elizabeth Loftus spent decades researching this and found something extraordinary. The way a question is phrased can change what people remember. Ask someone if they saw a broken headlight and they remember one thing. Ask them if they saw the broken headlight and the memory shifts. The brain quietly incorporates the new framing into the reconstruction. It updates. And this is the key insight. Your brain updates memories on purpose. Because the world changes. Because you change. A memory that stays perfectly fixed from the age of 7 would actually be less useful than one that gets recontextualized as you grow. The brain is optimizing for meaning, not accuracy. Think about a difficult experience you've reinterpreted over time. A rejection that later felt like a redirection. A failure that turned out to be the best thing that happened to you. Your brain didn't just change how you feel about it. It literally rebuilt the memory in a new frame. That's not weakness. That's an extraordinary capacity for growth. There's a process called memory reconsolidation. Every time a memory is recalled, it briefly becomes plastic, open to change before being stored again. Therapists are starting to use this deliberately. By recalling a painful memory in a safe, calm environment, the reconsolidation process can reduce the emotional charge attached to it. The brain's flexibility, often framed as a flaw, turns out to be one of its most powerful features. You are not a passive recorder of your life. You are an active author of it. Your memories aren't a fixed record of who you were. They're a living map of who you're becoming. Subscribe to Obvious Logic, because the truth is usually hiding in plain sight. You just need the right lens to see it.